Hi guys, good morning. This is Joy of Joy and Joy channel. In today's video, please join me na i-share ko sa inyo itong aking mga pinamili sa Scottsdale. Okay, umpisahan natin dito sa, ayan. Ano yung ring light ko no? So, ito. Butterfly ornament na kulay green. Yan. Next is this. Yan. 6 pieces na Christmas placemat and I got it for 5 pounds. Next is this. I got it for 2 pounds and 3 pieces siya. Dahon. Gold na dahon. Okay, next is this. I've got 4 pieces of blue flowers. 5 pounds siya, but I got it for 2 pound 50 half price. So, bali 10 pounds yung apat. Okay, next is this. Ang ganda, no? So, $1.99 yung isa niya, pero half price, so 1 pound na lang. So, this 4 pounds itong apat na piraso na to. And then next, I have this as well in green color. Apat siya. Oh, 5 pala yung ganito ko. Ayan, 3 and then another 2. So, ayan, 5 pala. Akala ko 4 lang eh. And then, I have this as well. Same price. And then, I have this orange and then this. Commercial muna tayo. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon para lagi kayong nanonotify every time na meron kaming bagong video. Okay, next is this. It's a mesh decoration. 4 pounds yung each, but I got it for half price, so 2 pounds each. And 3 yung kinuha ko. And then next is these flowers. Ayan. So I've got 5 pieces na purple and another 5 pieces na green. So, 5 pounds siya, pero half price again. So, 2 pound 50 na lang. And then, ganito siya. Ayan. O, diba ang ganda? Ito guys, meron pa kaming binili na ito. Bubble, $6.99 siya half price. And another size, same color din, $4.99 half price naman. Yan. Next is this. 100 time light. 10 meter yung length niya and battery operated. And sabi dito, 30 days yung itinatagal ng battery niya. Okay? Wala pa siyang battery eh. Pero eto siya. Yan. Ang last na binili namin ay itong Christmas light na to na medyo heavy. So, from 35 pounds half price, naging 17 pound 50 na lang. So, medyo heavy siya. Hold on. Eto siya. Ilawan ko lang ha. Wait lang. Yan. Eto na siya. Ang ganda, no? Okay guys, thank you for joining me dito sa aking mini haul. Bye-bye!